How to add a HTML code in WordPress. Want to add an extra little flair to your WordPress website with custom HTML? It's easier than you might think. There are a couple of straightforward ways to inject HTML code, and we will walk through them right now. First things first, let's go to our WordPress dashboard, and this is how the dashboard look like. Now go to the post or the pages where you want to inject the HTML code. I will use the post. For that, tap on post, which is over here, and on the post, go to all posts. Let's tap on this one, tap on it. So in order to add or inject the HTML, what you have to do is tap on this plus button, which is in top left corner. Tap on it and search HTML over here. What I forget to say, you guys, is make sure that you have already copied your HTML code which you want to add it in this post. Simply tap on custom HTML and it will open up in the post right over here. Now paste the HTML code. Now let's tap on preview. My HTML code was about the images and it's showing the preview over here. And that's how you can add HTML code to your WordPress. This was the most simplest way that I knew. If you know the other ways, let me know in the comments below. And that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.